Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon business invoices for deductible expenses, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.amazon.com and press enter. Once the Amazon homepage loads, navigate to the top right corner. Click on the Accounts and Lists drop-down menu. Log into your Amazon business account using your email and password. After logging in, look for the Your Orders option in the menu. Click on Your Orders to view a list of your recent purchases. On the Orders page, you'll see search filters on the right. Adjust the date range to find invoices for specific transactions. Locate the order for which you need the invoice. Next to the order, click on the Order Details button. This will take you to a page showing detailed information about your order. Look for the invoice link on this page. Click on the invoice link to download the invoice. The invoice will open in a new tab or window. From there, look for the download option, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click the download option to save the invoice to your computer. Choose a location on your device where you want to save the file. Make sure to label the file appropriately for easy access later. After saving, check your Downloads folder to confirm the invoice has downloaded successfully. Repeat this process for any additional invoices you need. Once completed, log out of your Amazon business account for security. You are now ready to use your downloaded invoices for your deductible expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.